Hey everyone, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've probably seen me cover some mail order lumber in Canada. You've probably seen the KJP hat in a few videos. And interestingly enough, this may become a collector's item sooner than later because KJP Select Hardwoods is now known as the Wood Vault. So what exactly is changing? Other than the name, not that much. It's the same great team with the same focus on high quality woodworking materials and tools, as well as a lot of maker materials. And that's really kind of what has drawn me to them over the last couple of years as I get more into the laser world. The Wood Vault just better reflects the vision that they have for their company going forward. If you're into woodworking or CNC machines or working with lasers, the Wood Vault really has you covered. From hardwoods to veneers, to plywood, to acrylics and other laser-friendly material, including the amazing true flat plywood that I'm absolutely loving in my shop right now. Whether it's finishing products, in Canada they are a Festool and Woodpecker's dealer as well. Really quite an incredible range of products, and this is just a sample of what they have to offer. One of the other big things with this rebrand to the Wood Vault is that shipping to the USA is back. So to all of my American followers that have commented on previous videos asking where I get some of my materials, well, now it's through the Wood Vault and you can get it too. So if you're also in the Ottawa area, make sure to go check out their beautiful showroom and facility. It's really quite impressive. For those of you that haven't ordered material online before, especially from now the Wood Vault, I want to show you how it comes. And in the essence of full disclosure, I do want to share that the Wood Vault did send over this material free of charge. However, there was no intention or promise of making a video. That is solely because I want to support their mission and what they're all about. So every package that I've received from KJP and now the Wood Vault always comes really nicely packaged. These are heavy, but everything is nicely wrapped. Here we have a wide variety of true flat material as well as some acrylic. So we got some of that in there for upcoming videos on the P3. And here we have some more true flat. And finally in this box, we have a few sheets of beautiful Baltic birch plywood. Moving to box number 2, we have some hardwoods. So I've got these beautiful pieces of 1/2-inch walnut. Every single time I've ordered hardwood from them, especially the S4S pieces, absolutely beautiful, perfectly flat, wonderfully milled. And we also have a few pieces of really clear maple. These are going to be used to make a house sign for our recently remodeled house. And here we have a selection of off-cut thins. Looks like they're about 1/8 of an inch thick. So these are going to be absolutely perfect for work on the P3 laser. So nice variety of some exotics as well as some domestic hardwoods right there. So congratulations to everyone at the Wood Vault on the successful rebrand. I know it's a big change for a family-owned and operated business, but I think it's a step in the right direction. I'm looking forward to putting all these materials to use with my P3 over the next few months. And if you are in the market for either mail order hardwoods, plywoods, other maker materials like I've showcased here, as well as a wide variety, this is just a small sample of the types of products that they have to offer. Be sure to check out the Wood Vault if you're in Canada or the US. Thanks for watching. See you in another video soon.